Hi everyone, my name is Frederico Aranha, but please call me Fred. Welcome to my course, Lean Six Sigma Foundations. I am an independent project management and governance consultant. To create the perfect process with close to zero opportunities for errors is the ultimate goal of Six Sigma. Based on a statistical analysis and supported by its own methodology, this approach became the mindset of business leaders worldwide, such as Elon Musk. Combined with Lean, which focus in eliminating waste, Lean Six Sigma is the leading approach to the new era of data-driven automated processes. This course's main objective is to prepare you for this new world. Lean Six Sigma is a composition of tools and methodologies that will enable you to work in improvement projects in any industry. Starting by its foundations, you'll take your first steps into this approach and start your preparation for the white and yellow belt certifications from the Council for Six Sigma certifications on Lean Six Sigma. Some of the major topics that we will cover include an introduction to quality and quality management based on the world's most renowned authors, quality management approaches that will help you understanding what continual improvement is, a complete presentation on Scrum, the agile framework for software development that can be used in Lean Six Sigma projects, an overview of what Lean Six Sigma is, what Lean is and how it came to be, its history, principles, what it aims for, what concepts like Kaizen and Nemawashi are. We will also study Six Sigma, its importance, how to calculate Sigma levels, Six Sigma principles, its challenges, history, and the development of statistical process control, and compare both Lean and Six Sigma to establish at last what Lean Six Sigma is. By the end of the course, you'll have foundational knowledge on the Lean Six Sigma approach and will be ready to start working on improvement projects. Also, you will be halfway the white belt band within our learning path and close to becoming prepared for the Lean Six Sigma white belt certification. From here, continue your learning by taking our next course in Lean Six Sigma, Understanding Lean Six Sigma Methodology, where you conclude the Lean Six Sigma white belt certification track and start the yellow belt certification track. I hope you join me on this journey and learn with me the foundations of Lean Six Sigma here at Pluralsight.